Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Iceberg. We got the homies at the crib right now.
Supercharged.
Got the homie Ant.
Supercharged Ford.
Supercharged. My killer Brandon up in this bitch. You heard? What up, nigga? What we doing, bro? What we doing?
Oil change, lip.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Go ahead, put that bitch on that rims, nigga.
Where did this big ass scratch come from, man?
Alright, come on, boy.
Oh, yeah, you know I'm in a big kill, boy.
Alright.
You see what I mean? That baby, look. Hold on.
Yo.
Hey, you see that shit that I posted?
Yeah, alright. About to do more underglows and shit. Got the remote. Ooh. Turn that bitch on. Ooh. That bitch gonna be tough.
Right.
No, for real, they bright as hell. Yeah. Alright, we already got it on the jack. We already hooked it up. To the battery. No, really just gotta put the lights on now. Let's get this show started, y'all. It's over there. On the grass, buddy. Want the wrench? Yes, on the.
It's a red moon, though.
Is it good?
Hey. But he the one that stood over me, bro. I didn't know what he was trying to do.
Gonna say what up to the vlog, man. Yo.
Hi, vlog. Look both sides up or not? Damn, my dog low-key did, like, I almost cramped myself. Yeah. Got up too quick. My leg is straight.
Did you get the white spray paint?
I got some. You need that thing. You want to spray paint that? Can't. They did oil change first, bro.
I can't. I got what's him. These are socks right here.
We're not doing both sides on that. No.
But it's fire.
No,
It's
that
fire.
shit crazy.
Oh, good.
Oh, that's fire. Oh, I like that
That
slow
shit
string.
cameras
Yes. Oh. What the front looking like?
Man.
That's crazy. It's gonna be crazier at night. You got the side and the front done. Oh, that be fun.
Were they big zip ties?
Oh, they like small ones, but I really just had them. I see some zip ties over here.
little bit, use a little bit, call it a day.
I don't need no time. I'm good.
Michael, you want water? What the fuck y'all doing, man? What we doing?
Look at that box.
What we got going on in the box, bro? He took my mirror caps. He cooking some shit up with him.
Gonna paint match him over.
Oh. Let's go check on my kill. Let's see what he doing. 30 kill. What we got going on, buddy?
Bro, I gotta take off this fucking. What's that one shit called? Fucking. Whatever that shit called. Plastic cover.
Oh, we got the shave. Cars, yeah.
I think black is fire.
That not be long.
Huh? Alright, y'all. We got that bitch done. I didn't record, so I guess the phone stopped recording most of it, but. Hold up. Oh shit, I'm pressing the wrong button. Ooh! This shit clean. No loose wires anywhere either. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Oh yeah, that's clean. It's real nice. It's clean. Yeah, got the homie Ant with his too. Yup. Yo, what's the deal, y'all? I recorded for the next day. I forgot to record the rest because my phone was tweeting about stories and shit. But yo, this is the outcome of how I did the underglows. I'm just not getting off work. Don't mind me. But that bitch crazy. That joint, like, now that my car is lowered and all that, it look like it's actually hovering, bro. Like, that joint is crazy. But yeah, I'm about to clock out and probably give y'all like a little POV drive and all that back to the crib. And then, yep, that's gonna sum up the video and all that. Crazy as hell, bro. It didn't take me that long. It took me like, I say 2 hours because I got to make sure all the wiring and all that shit set up good and all that. But, you know, it wasn't that bad. Simple, just making sure all the wires is tucked and everything, and you really can't see nothing either. So, it didn't take that long. It's pretty good. And yeah, this junk just really came out clean as hell. Like, dog, look at that shit. That shit tough as hell, bro. Woo. Home, and I could go through all the modes and shit like red, green, blue, orange, white, cyan, purple. That green sexy as hell, but I'm rock with the modes and shit like that. Oh, that bitch clean. I like that. Alright, had to get it all set up, yo. Hope that junk come out good. even purple. I'm running around, I think green. It should be green. Yeah, it's green right now. But yeah. I'm glad I got this mount though. This mount's pretty good. One thing I'm hoping for is that the wires, I took the wires pretty good though, so they should be fine. So, like no loose. Well, I made sure because since my car is so low, I made sure to tuck them way up there. So this is hopefully this video will come out pretty good too. It's been a minute since I did like a late night drive POV. I think my intakes kind of pick up on the camera too. See what they pick up. back to the crib, yeah. What y'all think about that? Hope y'all enjoyed that. Alright, let's go see it, make sure everything is on the tech and shit still. Different types of modes. This shit's so clean. That is so clean. But hope y'all enjoyed that little POV. Probably gonna call it a night right now. Green, blue, yellow, like all different shades of orange and shit. Like cyan blue, little blue, purple, cyan green, and we got white. This shit clean as hell. And y'all know we got the modes and shit. Yeah, that shit clean. I like that. Yep. Like, look at that shit. Woo! Like, really in the back, though? Sides. Yup. I ain't even got the sunroof over, but fuck it. Oh well. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that, though. Little POV drive and like the installation and all that of the Underglows. Hope y'all like that. I gotta edit all this out, but I just wanted to get a little something on there, the car sound and all that shit. I'll catch y'all in the next vid. Hopefully we got something going on with the homies or some shit, but yeah, just wanted to show y'all how I got the Underglows in, how to install them and all that, and POV drive. So like, comment, subscribe, all that shit, you know, and I'll catch y'all in the next vid.